Hello guys, welcome back to Lytical Grapes. So today we are solving this. We have to simplify 1/8 exponent 1/8 without using a calculator. Okay, so I'm going to solve this with a very easy method. So please, if you have another method, you can also share it under the comment section so that we all enjoy it together. Thank you for doing that. So with this, we know that a exponent n is the same as n root of a. Okay, so we are going to apply this. Our expression now becomes 8 root of 8. Sorry, so it will be 8 root of 1 on 8. Okay, and this we have to express this. We are having n root of a on b the same as n root of a over n root of b. Okay, so let us express our question like this. So now 8 root of 1 on 8 is equal to 8 root of 1 on 8 root of 8. Yes. Okay. And we know that the nth root of 1 is the same as 1. Okay. So our equation now becomes this one, it will be 1 on 8 root of 8. Okay. Now, when you have 1 on nth root of a, is the same as, so when we rationalize this, we are going to get nth root of a exponent n minus 1 a over nth root of a exponent n minus 1. Okay, so now our equation becomes 1 over 8 root of 8 multiplying by 8 root of 8 exponent 8 minus 1 on 8 root of 8 exponent 8 minus 1. Okay, so when you simplify this, we are going to get 1 on 8 root of 8 multiplying by 8 root of 8 exponent 7, okay, on 8 root of 8 exponent 7. So this, when you multiply, we are going to get 1 multiplied by this, we are going to get 8 root of 8 exponent 7 on, and then this one, we are going to get 8 root of, so this, which is 8 times 8 exponent 7. Okay, now, which is equal to 8 root of 8 exponent 7 on 8 root of, and we know that when we are having a m exponent m multiplied by a exponent n, we are going to get a exponent m plus n. Okay, so we are going to apply this here. So it will be 8 exponent 1 plus 7. Okay, now, so this we are going to get 8 root of 8 exponent 7 on 8 root of 8. 1 plus 7 is 8, so 8 exponents 8. Okay, and now we have nth root of a exponent n, okay, is equal to a, because this will cancel this, leaving a. So our expression is going to be 8 root of 8 exponent 7, like this. So this one will cancel this. So it will become over 8. Okay, so our expression 1 on 8 exponent 1 on 8 is equal to 8 root of 8 exponent 7 on 8. So this is our final answer for this expression. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tricky and excited questions. Bye bye.